If you eat pawpaw on daily basis, there are special and amazing benefits you are going to gain. The more you eat pawpaw, the more you are getting all these benefits on daily basis. So I want to tell you that consuming pawpaw is very important, especially for men. Once you eat pawpaw, there are so many things that will happen in your body. At least you are going to get vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, calcium, and the iron. All these things comes from consuming pawpaw, and all these things are what you are going to get once you consume pawpaw on daily basis. But there are the major 4 powerful benefits that I am going to share with you today, so that you will like and always be excited to consume pawpaw. Because once you consume pawpaw, all these benefits will be in your body. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men or natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content concerning men. What are the benefits of consuming pawpaw? If you consume pawpaw, what will happen in your body? If you consume pawpaw, what are the benefits that you are going to get? I hope everyone knows pawpaw, and the botanical name for pawpaw is Carica papaya. So everyone knows pawpaw. Pawpaw is yellow once it gets ripe, but greenish unripe, yellow or red being ripe. So pawpaw is very sweet and sugary. So I would advise every man or everyone to consume pawpaw on daily basis. If not on daily basis, at least twice or thrice weekly. Once you can consume pawpaw, you are going to get vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and calcium. But the 4 most important benefits that I am going to share with you is very powerful, and all these things will be in your body naturally as far as you consume pawpaw. What are the benefits of consuming pawpaw? Or if you consume pawpaw, what will happen in your body? The things that will happen in your body are: 1. If you consume pawpaw, it helps your body to regulate and lower cholesterol. It decreases cholesterol formation in your body, because cholesterol or too much cholesterol is very harmful in the body. Too much cholesterol can go to the arteries and block them up, and once cholesterol blocks the artery, it will result to heart attack. But consuming pawpaw on daily basis or twice, thrice weekly will help to lower the formation of cholesterol. And once there is no cholesterol or small amount of cholesterol, you are not going to suffer heart attack. But too much cholesterol results to heart attack. But consuming pawpaw on daily basis will help to lower the formation of cholesterol. Number 2 benefits that you are going to get once you consume pawpaw is that pawpaw will help to boost immunity. Remember, your immunity is the powerful thing that fights diseases. Your immunity is an avenue to your healthy life. Once your immunity is in order, once your immunity is in a perfect state, you are not going to contact any diseases such as bacterial disease, virus, and other disease that might be harmful to your body. So once you consume pawpaw, it will build up your immune system. It will boost your immunity in the sense that it will protect your body, because your immunity will help to fight germs and diseases that might be harmful in your body. So consuming pawpaw on daily basis will boost your immunity. It will build up your immunity to fight diseases and other ailments that might be harmful in your body. Number 2 benefit of taking pawpaw is that pawpaw improves vision. Due to the presence of vitamin A in pawpaw, help to improve vision. Once you consume pawpaw on daily basis, it will give you vitamin C. It will also give you vitamin A. This vitamin A is very, very essential. It will help your eye vision to be clear. So consuming pawpaw on daily basis or twice, thrice in a week is very, very important, because it will improve your vision. Then number 4 and the final benefit you are going to derive from consuming pawpaw or taking pawpaw is that pawpaw will help to make your hair to grow and look smoothly. What do I mean by this? Due to the presence of vitamin A in pawpaw, help the hair to grow, especially men that like beards or hairs. Once you consume pawpaw on daily basis, it will help your hair to grow naturally. It will help your hair to be moisturized and to look smooth. Pawpaw contains vitamin A, which speed up the growth of hairs on our body. So consuming pawpaw on daily basis will help to grow your hair on your body or your beards. They will look smooth and attractive. So all these things are the benefits you are going to derive once you consume pawpaw on daily basis. If you can consume pawpaw on daily basis, you are going to get vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and calcium. And consuming pawpaw on daily basis will help you to have good vision, improve or boost up your immunity, lower cholesterol, and also make your hair to grow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get value from this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Please comment on this video, let me know what you think. Like and share these videos to your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.